Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to install MetaTrader 5 on your PC or laptop running Windows 10 or Windows 11. So if you want to start trading on your computer, just follow along step by step. Alright, let's dive in. First, go to your desktop and open any web browser. In the search bar, type MetaTrader 5 and hit Enter. You'll see a list of results. Make sure you open the official MetaTrader 5 website. Once you're on the website, you'll see different download options for platforms like Windows, Mac, App Store, and Google Play. Since we're using a Windows PC, click on Download for Windows. Now choose where you want to save the file and click Save. After that, open your Downloads folder and you'll see the file downloading. Once it's finished, click on it to open the installer. A setup window will appear. Just click Next to start the installation process. Wait a few seconds for it to complete. When it's done, you'll see a MetaTrader 5 icon appear on your desktop. Click Finish, then double-click the icon to open the platform. And that's it. Your MetaTrader 5 is now installed, and you can connect it to any trading account and start using it right away. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.